Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss parts 167 Laravel Eloquent Find with straight record in tutorial. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this Laravel 11 find and find or fail. This is a find, delete record is a find. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP my admin. Inside this real state underscore lara underscore 11, and this is a database name. Inside this is a list of table is available. This database inside this available, and this project is already run. This my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my sublime text editor. Let's type this directory inside this cmd open. Successfully working by this project directory inside cmd means command prompt run. Let's run php artisan server and enter php artisan server and enter. Successfully project is working fine. This url is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. This is a browser is a working fine. Let's route. New route is a create route inside this web.php available. Let's inside this is a new route is a create. Let's route get, and this is a new route is a create. This is route name is a eloquent, and this is a route slash, this name is a trace. This is a new route is a create. This is a route, and this is a controller is a create. Controller is already create. This is a controller is a use class. The same name is a copy and paste here. This same name is a copy and paste, and this is a slash is a implementation slash, and this is a close file. This is a save file. This is a controller open this from controller. From controller is already included inside. This is a include that this is a use. This is a controller inside this form controller is available af http controller, and this is a form controller. This is available form controller. Good working. This is a, please write down this. Inside this is a new function is a create. This is a function. This is a controller as it is. Let's this function inside this new function is a create. Function name this function. This create same name is a copy, and inside this public function and paste here, and this is a request $request, and dd www.errorsolution code, and this is a save file. Successfully working fine. Let's copy this, and this project is already run slash and paste here. Successfully this is a my website is a show. Good working. This is a fine. This is a all good, and this is a website is a my official website errorsolutioncode.com. We are help to help 24/7 anytime. Please contact this WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always available. This is available, and this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and bell icon, and this is available all social media link Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Let's this run. Remove this remove and save file. Inside this is a save file. Let's font small. This is a save file, and this is a different available table name is a less table, and this refresh page, and this is a blank, and this is a blank. Inside this is a not available. Let's this table open. This is a color table is open. Inside this is a color table 3 4, and this is available, and this color table is already available. Click this structure. Please write down this color table. This is available. Let's click this color table. Inside this model is open. This model open. This is a model inside. This is a color model. Same name is a color model is open. This is a table is already included. This is a color table. The same name is a copy color model. Inside this is a include use app model and paste here. Successfully paste here. This is a model is included. Good working. This model is a implement. Inside this is a soft delete is a implementation, otherwise not a working. Let's soft delete. The same name is a copy and paste here, and this is the last is a implementation soft delete. Soft delete is a implementation. Same copy and slash, and this is a paste here soft delete. Successfully this is a working. Find this is a soft delete. In this soft delete increment, and inside this is a protected. The same name is a protected. Paste here and dollar by default fillable. Fillable is equal to, this is a name is a set. This is a name. Close this save file, and this is a minimize. Inside this is available first name and second is a status. This name is a implementation. This is a name. Second is available. This is a status. This status. Status. This is spelling my mistake. Status same name is a copy and paste here. This is a name and status is a implementation. This is a not use. This is a not a use. You are not use. Only simple way is a use. Please write down. This is a not a. This is a implement compulsory. This is a all compulsory is implement. Otherwise not a working. Let's insert this save file, and this is a slash, and this is a ID is a pass. This ID is a pass. Save file ID. And this is ID is implement. Inside this is a dollar ID is a set dollar ID. This is ID. Let's dd and dollar ID set and save file. Save file, and inside this is a slash and ID is a implementation. This is a slash inside this ID and 555, and this add enter. Successfully ID is a show. Good working. Let's inside this 666. This is ID is a available. Good working. This is ID is a working fine, and this is ID is a good. Let's remove, and inside this is a first of all this is a this implementation find is a implementation. Let's dollar get record is equal to, this is a color model. Color model is a implementation. First of all this is a find is a trace is a value, and this is a paste here with trace means delete record is a set. And this is a first is a find implementation and dollar ID. This is a dollar ID same name dollar ID is a implementation, and this is a save file dd, and this is a dollar get record and save file working fine. Let's refresh this page, and this 666 refresh this page, and this is a not available. Inside this is a not available. This is only 3 and 9 is available. Let's 7 number is implementation. 7 number 7 is implementation. Successfully this is a record is available. Vipul and 0 and date and time all good. 7 is a Vipul, 0 and date and time is available. Like 6 number is implementation. Like 6 number is available, and this is a inside this 6 number is implementation. Successfully this is a available. 6 number yellow and 1 good working. This is a 9 number is available. Like 60 is a not implement, and this is a 60 is a null. All good. This is a 60 is a null not available, and this is a only find. This is a find. Next is a implementation. This is a next is a this is a find or false. Find or false same name copy, and inside this is remove find and false is a set. This is a find and false is a set, and save file, and this is the ID is a not available, and this is a record is a not a found. This is a different two different. This is a record is a not a found, and this is available. 7 number implement, and this is a show. This is a working find Vipul and 0, and this 3 number is implement, and this is available. 3 number red and 0. This is 3 number. Let's inside this 30, and this is a implement, and this is a 404 not found. Find, and this is a different way. Let's again check this find. This or poll is a remove and save file, and this is a record is a null. This is a different. This is a different. Inside this is a implementation. This is a find is equal to null, and find 4 is equal to 404. This is a 404. Inside this is a, let's check this again, record not found. This is a find 4 and save file, and this is a refresh, and this 404 not a found. This is a different word is a implementation, record not found. This is a different. Please check, this is a delete and not delete, and this is a die is a print. This is a 2 time is a, this is a video is a done. This is a different word find and 4. This is the same name is the implementation. Inside this is available. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please write down this first. Inside this is write down this function, and this is a write down all good. This is a 2 time is a different. This is a 404, and this is a same. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Next video is a implementation new.